Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys. Uh, this will relate to your daily energies, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. These cards should be read straight, guys. These are for your daily energies, Gemini, and for your Wisdom Oracle guidance. This is the card. So we'll open the cards now. Man, heart, dog. So with this card, Gemini, I see here that this person you are interested in, they are also interested in you, guys. They are also open to this relationship. They are also interested in you. They are seeing you from a distance and they want to come towards you. So that is the energy. If you are single, if you see someone interesting but you have some inhibitions to approach them, you may be thinking what you need to do. You want to find out before whether they are interested in you. They are interested in you, guys. That is what I'm getting here. And if you are already in a relationship, this person and you are sharing that great understanding, guys. Compatibility, affection and intimacy. This person is loyal, devoted to you, devoted to this relationship, and they are trustworthy, guys. That is also the energy here. And maybe Gemini, today you are making some choices that you are really passionate about, or you are getting some new beginnings, some creative endeavors in your work, maybe a second career related to something creative, maybe art, dancing, singing, something creative, guys. Some creative form of art, maybe as your second career, or in your business you may be venturing into some creative projects. That is what I see here. Or it may be a new person, just like we said in the beginning, something you are really passionate about, something which you have a great attraction for. You are moving towards that person, Gemini. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. This may relate to your work situation, guys, or your relationship. This card, a leg up. Gemini, with this card, the oracle's guidance is that this is the time for receiving help, that interdependence, teamwork, guys. So in your relationship or in your work situation, you should voice out what you need. So when you ask help from people, you should not feel vulnerable. You should trust, and you will get that help with kindness and love. People will support you. So in this relationship, you need to be the person who supports them, and they will also support you when you speak your needs. So nobody will be able to read your mind. You have to voice out what you need. So when you come out openly with what is your necessity, you will be met with kindness and love. Have trust, guys. Have trust in this situation today. So this is not the time to go alone. It will not work well. So you need to be with people who will be able to help you, and with that interdependence, you will be able to make much from this situation. So this, in your work situation also, there will be people helping you out, your employees, mentors, your business partners, whoever it is. You need to ask them for their counsel, suggestions. So what you need to do, you can voice out what you need. When you delegate that authority to other people, you will be taking your big step forward towards your dream, guys. So those people will help you out in your situation today when you openly ask them for help. So that is the oracle's guidance here, guys. So you need to uh, receive that help that is coming towards you today and not feel vulnerable or lose that confidence in you. You should think of it as a teamwork, working together. You can help them in some situation when they ask you. So it is nothing bad, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance here, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Bye, Gemini.